Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I'm about to make a bite of lunch for me and Stephanie. It is a hot day. We do not want anything hot and heavy. So I'm going to make us a salad and I think she's going to thoroughly enjoy it. So we're going to start it. It's very simple and you probably have most everything to make it. I have boiled some eggs. I got them cooling right here. I bought some just the mixed greens. I love this mix. And I'm going to put them down in the bottom of my bowl. I've done this salad before and made individual containers and took it to work with me. And it was so nice to be able to just pull it out of the fridge and eat it. Now, I have some mandarin orange slices. I just bought a little tub, drained them. I'm going to sprinkle those in there. Do you like fruit with your salad? I do. Apples, oranges. To me, it's all good. All right, then I've got some sharp cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Isn't that looking pretty so far? We don't want a whole lot. Just enough. Now, in the oven, and I'm going to get that out in a minute, I have took a can of chickpeas, garbanzo beans, whatever you want to call them, and I drained them and rinsed them, and then I put them in my towel, clean towel, and dried them real good, and I put them in my little pan, little olive oil, salt and pepper, and I had some dried rosemary. I cut all the rosemary down in my little garden. It's coming back, and I dried it, so I've got fresh rosemary, and I sprinkle some of that on it, and I've got that in the oven, and I'm getting those garbanzo beans crisped up. Oh, they're so delicious in a salad. So next, but look at that. Isn't that colorful already? So pretty. So I am going to just slice up, I think I'm going to do about 3 green onions. We like green onions. And just kind of slice those up and put them in there. I love onions on my salad. And to me, you just can't beat a green onion. Scallions, spring onions, however you call it. Just watch your fingers when you're cutting them. All right, so let's get that sprinkled in there. We like balsamic vinaigrette, and that's the dressing I'm choosing today. And you can use your favorite dressing, whatever you want. Now, I have a cucumber. It's an English cucumber. We don't need the whole thing, so I just cut off a little piece. But I'm going to peel it. If you want to leave some of the peeling on, you can. If you want to leave the peeling on totally, you can. That's the thing about these English cucumbers. The peeling is thin, so it's easy to chew and eat. It's not like regular cucumbers. And I love cucumbers. So I'm going to cut it in half, and then half again, I'm going to quarter it, and then dice it up. It's just going to make for easier eating. And then right over in our bowl. You know, this is so nice. Now, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to try to show you something that I have seen, and you've probably seen it too. I've got 2 lids from containers, and I'm going to put some of these little grape tomatoes in here. And it's supposed to be a quick way to slice your tomatoes. We're going to find out together. I've never done them like this before. So let's gather them up in there. Put your other lid on top. Hold it. Take your knife. Let's get the cucumbers off. Take your knife. Can you see what I'm doing here? And just run it right through. Y'all looky there. Look there. Now, can you believe that? You know how long it would have taken me? Not long, but still. That's a lot quicker cutting up tomatoes, isn't it? I'm glad I saw that trick. And if you didn't know it, that's a good tip for you to know. Now, y'all give me just a minute because I'm going to go over here to the oven and I'm going to check on our chickpeas and see if they're ready. And if they are, I'll be right back. And if they're not, I'm going to let them finish cooking, okay? All right, Stephanie's here and I'm finishing up this salad.
It looks delicious.
Looks good, don't it? And we've got some chickpeas. Do you like chickpeas?
I love chickpeas.
I roasted these. I drained them, dried them, a little drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and rosemary from my garden that I had dried.
They smell good.
Don't it smell good? Then we're gonna put them right over. Isn't that pretty salad? Looky there. You know, chickpeas make you good, and they're healthy for you.
And that's a good source of protein.
And makes a good snack for you. Sorry about that noise. The last thing I'm gonna do is, I got some boiled eggs.
You gotta have boiled eggs.
Now, I love boiled eggs on a salad. See, I used my egg cooker. Now look how pretty that egg is. And you don't have any of that gray that comes sometimes if they get overcooked. So, I love this salad, and I thought we'd share it with everybody and have it for our lunch today. Look at that. How about I serve us some?
Let's have some.
I got balsamic vinaigrette because I know you like it and I like it. And I think you like everything I put in here. We got our greens, our cucumbers, our tomatoes, and mandarin oranges. I was telling everybody how I cut, or showing them how I cut up my tomatoes with the little lid trick. But you had told me recently about how to peel garlic. And I've never done that.
So you get your garlic cloves peeled off, put them in a container with a lid, shake them as hard as you can, and they will self-peel.
Like just a plastic bowl?
Just a plastic bowl.
Well, I'll have to try that. Now looky there. Is that not a beautiful lunch? That would be good for dinner too, wouldn't it?
Especially as hot as it's been.
Yeah, we don't need a whole lot when it says hot. But you could, you can buy roasted chicken and the grocery store, it's already cooked. You're not heating your kitchen. Add it to it. That's another source of protein. And you've got a filling meal with this, with the eggs and the beans. Looky here. I'm excited about trying this, and I wanted to make this for you today. Now, I roasted these garbanzo beans on chickpeas, 450 for 15, 20 minutes. They start looking roasty, and you can tell when you shake it, they get a little crispy on them. And so it don't take long to cook them. And that's the only thing you have to cook. And for another tip to get away with that, in the snack aisle or in my grocery store, in the snack aisle where you can find the, like the rice cakes and that kind of things, the dried stuff.
The seasoned chickpeas.
Yes, and they're already seasoned with different flavors. So they even had some that was cinnamon flavored. I thought, oh, that'd be
that sounds good.
Don't it though? So let's give this a try. I'm excited about this salad, and it's lunchtime, and I'm getting hungry. Oh, that's good. Good piece of that orange with that. That's refreshing. I'm gonna have another bite.
And those chickpeas have a really good flavor.
They get a nutty flavor. All right. That's a good lunch. All right, so we're going to go enjoy our lunch, have our salads, and we're going to catch up. So we haven't seen each other in a few days, and catch up on what everybody's doing. So, but we hope you'll make the salad and you'll enjoy it because it's a delicious meal for these hot days. Y'all come back and see us. We certainly appreciate each and every one of you.